Welcome. In front of me I have Fitbit Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Then you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called About Versa, tap on it, and here at the bottom you will see the option called Factory Reset. Tap on it, then tap on Yes to confirm and reset your watch. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.